episode here on A New Life in France. You will have just seen the outside of this beautiful building we're coming into. Behind me is just a little teaser of what we're going to find. We're back in the Charente-Maritime, beautiful area. We're about 40 minutes from Bordeaux, we're about an hour from the beaches. It is a very, very nice little village we find ourselves in, and this lovely house. It's quite hard to describe this house, but it is on 3 levels. We're sort of coming in through the ground floor. Let's go and have a look. So on this sort of ground floor, so we come in off the road outside, there's ample parking, lovely little quiet road, it is off the main road. What we have on this lovely ground floor, come through the hallway, it's that beautiful sitting room, you've got the fireplace, there's heating throughout, got a lovely study just around the corner, but again, you can put your own stamp on this. We're now in the kitchen, a light, airy kitchen, everything you would expect. And then over there, that beautiful view on this kind of enclosed terrace area. It is simply beautiful, particularly on a day like today. But I think all times of year, you're just going to be able to see the weather. You'll see the weather coming in, you'll see the sunrise, you'll see just that view is beautiful. It's just an uninterrupted view out there. We've also then got a utility room and also a toilet down there as well. So I think this whole flow is really lovely. Let's go and have a look upstairs. So we've come up onto the first floor, and what we have on the first floor, we have 4 bedrooms. We've got 4 bedrooms and a bathroom. Now remember, also downstairs we have a bedroom as well, a double bedroom with an ensuite. So you have 5 bedrooms in this beautiful house. Up here, one of the bedrooms is a master bedroom. It's got its own ensuite as well. Then the other rooms are all serviced by this bathroom. And then one of the rooms at the front has also got a lovely walk-in wardrobe. Really love it because it's light and it's airy. You've got the light coming in with that beautiful view again. Every part of this house, particularly at the back, all the windows draw you out to that view. We've also then got a set of stairs, and we've got a mezzanine up here. This mezzanine with the stairs to go up, so it's a ladder to climb up. Lovely area for children, safe and secure up there as well. So that's a great area for a play area or even more space to sleep. Really lovely up here, and as I say, you've got the windows that draw you out to that view each and every time. So we've come down to the lower area, so we've just come down the steps. We come into this huge kitchen area, lovely big dining table here as well. It's really light, it's really airy, because again you've got windows and French doors taking you out onto the terrace area to again draw you out to that beautiful view. So the current owners use downstairs, they use it as sort of their summer area. So within this they will cook down here, they'll eat down here, because of course you can eat outside as well. You've got downstairs, just coming off the kitchen, you've also then got a shower and a toilet, which is really useful for something outside. You've also got another room just around here. Again, gives you a lovely area as a playroom or another room that you want to use it as, even a chill out room. You've also then got your utility just around the corner. So you've got the utility, very eco in terms of this house. You've also then got a little carve. It's lovely, that little carve with all the wine bottles there as well. So it's really beautiful in terms of what you've got. We're going to go outside, but I'm going to do something different today. I'm just going to let you enjoy outside and enjoy the little treat that's out there, and you'll see why there's a shower downstairs. Go and enjoy the gardens and the outside space. Well, I really hope that you have enjoyed today's episode on A New Life in France. And what a fantastic house that we brought you here in the Charente-Maritime. Across these 3 stories, you've got the ground floor as you come in, the sweeping kitchen, the lovely sitting area, the study area. You've also got a bedroom downstairs as well. And then coming off the kitchen, you've got the beautiful view. We then go upstairs, and upstairs we've got the 4 bedrooms, and one of those is an ensuite. We've also got the shared bathroom up there as well, and also one of the bigger bedrooms has got a lovely walk-in wardrobe. What you've also got then is the mezzanine above, which is a lovely little feature, and again it's light and it's airy. We then go downstairs to the sort of second tier down, where really is a lovely summer area that we've got there, that huge kitchen dining area. We've got another room off it you could turn into anything you want. We've got the utility coming round and the carve, but of course Everything about this house focuses on the view and then bringing you outside. So everything from downstairs takes you outside. You go to the lovely terraced area. You then drop down to where the pool is, and again it's all decked out. You've got the garden stretching down, and then the stunning views that you can see from everywhere. Love the views. Really fortunate to be here on such a beautiful summer's day. And it is a lovely, lovely house. Just over 450,000 euros for this house. It's a really lovely house to come and have a look. You see if it matches what you want. I think it's got a lot going for it in lots and lots of different ways. If you've enjoyed today's episode, then please remember to subscribe. Press that button that's below. You'll find the full description of this property, including a link to click on as well to find out more and get in touch with the agents. Do join us each and every week where we bring you at least 2 properties. We bring you a French lesson every week now as well, and really hope that you are enjoying those. We bring you stories, we bring you news. Everything is here on A New Life in France.